Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Clover Health is a healthcare technology company with a deeply rooted mission of helping its members live their healthiest lives. Clover uses its proprietary technology platform to collect, structure, and analyze health and behavioral data to improve medical outcomes and lower costs for patients.
Take our lead.
Google parent company invests in Medicare Advantage startup Clover Health. That's thanks to a $130 million investment from Green Oaks Capital and other investors, including GV, the venture arm of Google's parent company, Alphabet. Clover's total funding has now reached $425 million.
Take our lead.
With Clover, you have access to better prescription drug coverage than standalone Part D plans, as well as additional benefits that focus on keeping you healthy, all at a low cost. Clover has the same low costs in and out of network. Clover Health plans are truly open PPOs.
Take our lead.
PPO. Clover Health will reimburse any provider who participates in Medicare and bills Clover Health for Medicare-covered services. In most PPO plans, members have different shares of cost in and out of network, usually with lower costs in network.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.